Okay, just today we will see in this part of video how to create Gmail signature. Signature is very important. Whenever you are sending some mail to someone, say, and if you click on compose button, every mail you have to write down the with best regards or some text you have to write down all the times. So in that case, if we set previously by default as a signature, it will automatically display whenever you will click at compose button. So that is called signature. So now we will see how to create signature in Gmail. At first, just you have to click login to Gmail, then click on setting button. You will get one wheel icon right side, top right side. Just click on setting, wheel button, then setting. Then if you go down, you will get signature. By default, there will be no signature. See, you have to select the signature. In my case, as I have multiple accounts, so I have to select. But in common case, you don't have to select the account. Now, what we will do? Just I would like to write down with best regards, then one comma, then two space, then we can write down your name. See example, write Biman Borua. See, in my case, I am selecting account my CEO at Dhaka Infotech, as I have multiple accounts. But in your case, you don't have to select the account. By default, the account will be selected automatically with best regards. Then to enter. Then one case, if I would like to bring the logo, company logo, you also can attach the logo. In that case, what you have to do, just select the insert image. Then in my drive, there is some company logos, or you can select from my drive. You can upload the logos here. Just drag and drop or select the logo file. Select logo file. You can select. Other option is by using web address. Also, you can select the logo, web address. How you can do that? See example, this is my company logo. So how I can add this logo to my signature? Just what I will do, just right click, copy image address. That means it will copy the image URL. Then just Control V or right click and paste. See, you will get the logo. Then click on select. There is three options for adding image. Now if you click on image, there is three options: small, medium and large. I am clicking on small. See, it is automatically adding the image. Now you can write down your name, CEO or whatever, just Dhaka Infotech. Then you can write down your house, roads, sector. You can write down your all address here. Just then moreover, you can add email address with hyperlink. See example, CEO at dhakainfotech.com, or you can link web address also. What you can do, just select, then hyperlink. See, automatically it is linked. It is automatically creating hyperlink. Then there is also paragraph, line spacing. See example, you can indent the paragraph. See this side. You can add the logo in left side. Okay. Just now, if you click, just save as. After that, you have to click on save as. That's all. Now, what we will do, just now, if you click on compose button and select, by default, if there is only one account, you don't have to select the account, just it will automatically come. Now, as there are multiple accounts in my case, just I am selecting the account where we have, see, now you are getting the Gmail signature. It will be permanent for every message. Now you don't have to write down this signature below for any messages. Just click compose button, then you will get the automatically signature. So today I have shown how to create Gmail signature. Okay, thank you. Now if you'd like to watch this type of video more, then like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.